Sorry, Ma, I think there was a problem with my connection. I had to disconnect and come back. Can we go ahead? How good are you with the radiance that we discussed? Are we all good? Do you want me to review that or should I move on? What should I do? You guys tell me. But I know that some of you were not there. Everybody was there. So tell me, guys, I am asking your opinion. How do you want me to proceed? How do you want me to proceed? Shall we review that? Guys, I really want your opinion, guys. I'm okay. You can tell me your opinion. What do you want me to do? Shall I continue with that, review that, and come back to the starting point? Or what should I do? I'm asking for your opinion and I'm open. Whatever you want to do, we can do. How do you want to go about? Are you able to hear me? Ashrita.
I can hear you. I'm okay with it moving on or doing the same topic.
Ashrita.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what is going on, guys. Okay, you're able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so there was a problem with my connection. Okay, so let's go ahead. Do you want me to go through the radians and stuff and come back, or do you want me to go ahead and just get started with the first unit? What would you want me to do? I'm okay either way. Shall we review a little bit and come back? The radian stuff, it'll come later. It doesn't come now though. Okay, so but it's very useful to multiple times look through that radians, degrees, conversions, and find out the negative angles, all these stuff. If you're very thorough, right, when we start that, it will be so much easier. So let's go ahead. Hi Akshada, how is the new place, Akshada?
It's good.
Good. Okay,
Yeah.
you're all going to India? I know Sahana is in India. Others? You're not going to? I'm not going to either. Okay. Shrikar, how are you spending the summer?
Just at home.
You're at home. Okay, I'm also at home. Chetan, what are you doing? Chetan, you there? You're muted. Are you? Sorry, Chetan, you're muted. You have to unmute yourself and talk, right? Navneet and Subi, you're going to India?
No.
Subi, are you there, Subi? Subi? Okay, I think she's not there. That's okay. Subi, you there? Okay, anyway, we'll go ahead, guys. Okay. If I ask you to draw an angle of minus 5 pi by 3, I'm just continuing, okay? If you don't know, you can just ask me. If you don't remember, you can just ask me.
Ranjana Math Pranav, WhatsApp audio.
1 second, guys. Yes, I'm sending. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Minus 5 pi by 3, where does it come? Are you all able to draw? Where does minus 5 pi by 3 come? Let me know which quadrant, guys. Really? That's right, Navneet. Akshada, how did you calculate that, ma? See, okay. To just review, guys, to just review this a little bit, this one is 0, pi by 2, pi. What is this? 1 pi is over, so this is 1.5 pi. Make sense? So, in which quadrant does minus 5 pi by 3 fall? Ashrita, do you remember?
Yeah.
Where does it go? Yes, Akshata, good job. Ashrita, Navneet, I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Avni, right, ma. Ashrita, not really, Ashrita. How did you get minus 5 by 5 pi by 3 in the third quadrant, ma?
Well, I started off over here and then went in this direction.
Correct. Minus 5 pi by 3 means, okay. See, one thing is to make it a positive angle. How to make it a positive angle? The entire circle is, let me invite Pranav in. The entire circle is basically, this entire circle is 360 degrees. Okay. You know that pi radians, this is the easiest way. Pi radians is 180 degrees. 360 degrees is 2 pi radians, right? Now, if it's 2 pi radians, suppose negative angles, right? Positive angles go in the clockwise direction. Pranav, you can just join in. Negative angles go from this direction, correct? Now, the entire thing is 2 pi. You and I know that. So, if you're given minus 5 pi by 3, it is very difficult to go in the negative in the clockwise direction. So what I would do is minus 5 pi by 3, I'll add it to the 2 pi. See what happens. 1 second, guys. So what happens here? When you have this, what will happen when you take LCM, right? So minus 5 pi by 3 plus 6 pi by 3, that becomes pi by 3. So pi by 3 angle comes where? Pi by 3 angle comes somewhere here. So that is in the first quadrant. How do you remember all these? Remember, we discussed this. This is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2. Now, to start with, what did we discuss? What is half of pi by 2? Pi by 2 is a 90 degree angle, correct? This is a 180 degree angle. This is a 270 degree angle. This is a 360 degree angle. So once when you come to pre-calc, nobody is going to discuss with you in degrees. Everybody is going to talk about radian. So you will get confused, okay? At that time, I don't want you to scram. That is why we have got started with that. Meaning, I'm not going to go in depth, but only discuss these basics. Okay, so what are we going to, meaning, so we started with, let me go over that as well once. So basically this is the coordinate plane, 0, pi by 2. 90 degree angle is pi by 2, remember that, okay. Then 180 degree is pi. You will have to remember this conversions. This you can't do anything. 270 is 3 pi by 2. After this you don't need to memorize anything, okay. It will come automatically. Now, what is half? What is half of pi by 2? Pi by 4. What is half here? What is this? So, you are going to add, see, pi by 2 is here. Another pi by 4 you are going to add. Pi by 2 plus pi by 4. How to write this down quickly? What is this? This is 3/4 of a pi, right? This is 3/4 of a pi. This is pi. And then coming here, if you think about it, right? See, this is 1 pi by 4, this is 2 pi by 4, this is 3 pi by 4, this is 4 pi by 4, this is 5 pi by 4, 6 pi by 4 is 3 pi by 2, this is 7 pi by 4. Any questions, guys? Any questions? See, this pi conversion you should really know, guys. That's why I'm telling you again and again and again. Okay. So how about this? The next one, complicated ones are going to come now. What is it going to come? I'm going to split it further. How am I going to split it further? Like this. Okay, what is half of pi by 4? What is half of pi by here? Okay, I can't take it as half of pi by 4. Hold on. So now take away the pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 6 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. This is 8 pi by 4 is 2 pi. Any questions still here, guys? The pi by 4 angle should be in your fingertips by now. Now coming to 30-degree angles, we discovered only 45, 90 and then we added another 45, 135. This is 180. Then we added another 45. It became 225. Then it became 225 plus 45 became 270. 270 plus 45 will become 315 degrees. Nobody is going to talk to you on degrees though. Okay, so all the pi by 4 angles we have seen. So it starts with 0, pi by 4, 1 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 6 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Okay, now Pranav.
Yeah.
Pranav, how are you, Pranav?
Good.
Good. You're able to follow what we are doing?
A little bit.
A little bit. We have just discussed the coordinate plane. Okay, instead of starting with pre-calculus very start unit 1, right? I'm just going to give you an overview of radians, angles. Angles all the while till algebra 2 you have always measured in degrees, but in pre-calc nobody is going to talk to you in degrees at all. Everybody is going to talk to you in radians. Okay, so that should not be a surprise. So we are discussing those radians. What do you know about radians? You all know pi. Pi is 180 degrees. Pi radians is 180 degrees. That's the only conversion you need to remember. Everything is easy. Okay.
Right.
This is half of a pi. This is 1 pi is done. This is 1.5 pi. Okay. Then half of that, 0 to pi by 2, half of that is pi by 4. Then again 1 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 can be simplified to pi by 2. This is 3 pi by 4. This is 4 pi by 4 is simplified to a pi. Then what is this? This is 5 pi by 4. Yeah. This is 6 pi by 4 is simplified to 3 pi by 4. This is 7 pi by 4. And again, when you finish, this is 8 pi by 4, which is 2 pi. Any questions, guys? This one is easy. We made it easy. Okay. Next one, what we are going to do, This is a little harder, but we did it. Again, we'll do it. We'll not forget it all. This is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. This one is a little harder. We are going to measure in terms of, let me put up the degrees here so you will not forget. 0, now 30 degrees, 60 degrees. I'm not talking about 45 degree angles now. I'm just talking about 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. This is what we would do if it is in degrees, right? I don't want to write it in degrees, but I don't want you to I don't want you to be thrown into the ocean too. So I'm just writing it out for you. Did I do it correctly? I'm not doing it correct. I am doing it correctly. Okay, 300, 330. This you don't need at all. Okay, it is just to tell you 0, 30. I'm going by 30 degree angles. That's all. Okay, if that is the case, again I have the same thing in here, right, guys? Okay, it starts with 0, 30 degree. How are we going to do it? Pi by 6. How am I saying pi by 6? Why am I saying pi by 6? When you think about it, 180 is pi. What is 180 by 6? It's a 30 degree. See, if you put degrees, divide by 6. Right? It's 30 degrees. That's why instead of degrees, I change it to pi and I'm saying pi by 6. Make sense? That is 1 pi by 6. Next one is 2 pi by 6, but I can't write it out as 2 pi by 6. I have to simplify and write as pi by 3. This is 3 pi by 6. This one is pi by 2. Any questions? We should not be writing this. It's pi by 2. This one is 4 pi by 6, but I don't want to write 4 pi by 6. Nobody will respect me that way. I have to write it simplified, 2 pi by 3. This is 5 pi by 6. What did I do, guys? Did I make a mistake? Yeah. Correct. This is 6 pi by 6. That is pi, right? 6 and 6 will get cancelled. It's a pi. Then this is 7 pi by 6. This is 8 pi by 6. 8 pi by 6, we don't say it like that. That should be 4 by 3 pi. Then This is 9 pi by 6. We don't call it 9 pi by 6. We have to simplify it as 3 pi by 2. This is 10 pi by 6. We call it as 5 pi by 6. 11 pi by 6. Then this is a 12 pi by 6, but I can write it out as 2 pi. You all got it easy, right? Should not forget this 30-degree angles and 45-degree angles make a lot of sense now. Okay? Now, let's consider from 0, I'm going to move clockwise to pi by 3. So this angle is called pi by 3. You all know that. But you know, we'll start referring negative angles. We'll go in the clockwise direction. What is that angle? You know how you will calculate it? The full circle is 2 pi. So from 2 pi, subtract the pi by 3. That's what is the blue angle, right? So that is 5 pi by 3. Basically, it's a negative 5 pi by 3. The same angle from here, it's a negative 5 pi by 3. Make sense? Does that make sense, guys? Any questions? Any questions? No? Okay. Okay. Suppose you have pi by 6. Can you tell me what is the negative angle of this? What is the negative angle of pi by 6? Just tell me, guys. I'll be back. Shrikar. Akshara correct. I should have written it like that, I feel. Wait, let me see. Pi by 6, I should have written it like this. Okay, pi by 6 is somewhere here, right? Pi by 6 is basically 30-degree angle, right? I am asking what is this angle, guys? That's the negative angle. That's the, if you go clockwise, it's a negative angle, right? I am asking pi by 6 is also equal to what negative angle? Navneet, how did you do that?
I might
Correct,
have
Pranav, that's correct, but I want it in radians. Yes, ma?
I might have subtracted the wrong thing.
Yeah, you just subtracted from 360 degrees, right? But 360 degrees are 2 pi, right? So you just subtracted from 2 pi and say, see, how do you take LCM? If you're not understanding that, ask, right? Meaning many of you are not taking the LCM correctly. 2 pi minus pi by 6, how do you do? First of all, the denominator has to be 6, guys. Let me go over it. If you didn't understand, it's absolutely okay. Denominator has to be 6, right? How will the denominator become 6? Multiply by 6, divide by 6, right? That's how you bring the denominator to 6. So this is 12 pi minus pi divided by 6, which is 11 pi by 6. But since this is in the clockwise direction, this will be minus 11 pi by 6. Any questions?
Miss Priya, that's what I wrote.
You wrote, ma. You are right, but there are many others who did not get it correct. Don't worry, okay? Yeah, everybody is correcting it. Shrikar, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Subi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now let's see. Okay, this one somewhere it's 11 pi by 6, right? I think it's 11. Yeah, this is 11 pi by 6, right? This angle, right, is 11 pi by 6. So what should be this angle? I'm asking for this one. See, whenever you go clockwise, it's a negative angle. Whenever you go anti-clockwise, it's a positive angle. Yeah. Ashrita, is it pi by 6 or negative pi by 6?
I thought I put the negative.
What, ma?
I thought I put the negative. I'm sorry.
No. You have a positive answer, right?
Yeah, I thought I entered the negative when I sent it.
Oh, okay. So you knew the concept.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, it's the negative pi by 5, negative pi by 6. Pranav, are you getting it, Pranav?
Yeah.
Okay. Sahana, are you getting it, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, Pranav, what answer did you get?
Negative 5 by 6 pi.
This angle is
Negative 5 by 6 pi.
negative pi by 6. Did you understand, Pranav? Let me show.
Yeah.
Miss Priya, you're muted.
Sorry, guys. So basically, this is, thank you for letting me know. 2 pi. See, this is entirely it's 2 pi. What you're doing is you're just subtracting your 11 pi by 6. So you get what this angle is, but it's in the opposite direction. So you put a negative sign. Okay. Now let's see. How about this? This is 3/4 of a pi. 3 pi by 4, right? What is the negative angle of that? What is the negative angle of that? Meaning, if I go this way, what is that angle? Okay, this is a good one actually. Okay, I'm going to give you 2-3 equations, guys. You're going to do, okay? I want you to tell me what is the positive angle or the negative angle, okay? 15 pi by 4 minus 11 pi by 9. 15 pi by 4 minus 11 pi by 9. I want the negative angle of this. I want the positive angle of this. Okay, this is question number 1. Question number 1. Figure, these are skills. 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys. Sorry, guys. Sahana, would be nice if you can give me 1, 2, 3 answers, guys, because I am not able to relate what answers you're giving. Let me calculate as well, otherwise it becomes difficult for me. 3 by 4.
That was my answer for the last question.
Okay, ma.
I didn't
No.
answer.
I just want to know 1, 2, 3, ma, because it's very confusing.
I didn't answer these yet.
Okay, Sahana. Navni, that's right. Ashita, you got it, I think, Ashita, right? 8. Yeah. Minus 2 by 8. Sorry. Okay. Nice, Ashita. 5 minus 7. Akshada, can you do the second one? Can you do the second one again?
Yeah, I'll redo it.
I am a little. Minus 5 pi by 4 minus 7 pi by 4 minus plus 7 pi by 9. Pranav, are you solving the second question or the first question?
This one.
Which one? The graph one?
Yeah, the graph.
The graph one, how did you do? Tell me. Yeah, there's a 3 pi by 4. So what did you do?
Oh, I think I got it wrong.
No problem. Just tell me, I'll help you. I'm saying you're
I did
first
2 pi minus
subtract 2 pi, right? 2 pi by 4,
Yeah.
you subtract this angle 3 pi by 4. What happens?
and then I think I went wrong like in the thing because I turned it 12 pi by 6.
Yeah, so what you should be getting? Minus 5 pi by 4.
Oh, okay.
Okay, can we do the second and the third one? I'm going to wait. I know, Ashrita, you're going to wait. It's okay. I just want to be sure.
Is it minus pi by 4? Priyanti,
What is it, ma? Sorry, what is
is
it?
it minus pi by 4 the right answer for the second one?
Oh, for the second one. Not
Yeah.
really. Let me see. You got minus pi by 4, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see, ma. See, 15 pi by 4, somewhere, where should it be? I'm coming. 15 pi by 4 is what? Almost equal to 4 pi. 4 pi means this is 2 pi. And again I go, this is 4 pi, right? So 15 pi by 4 is somewhere here. Right?
Oh,
So,
yeah.
then let's see. 15 pi by 4. Ashita, is your answer? I wanted the negative angle, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, there can be multiple answers on that. Okay. So this is more than, basically this 15 pi by 4 is more than 2 pi. Okay. So is more than 2 pi, or you can subtract 4 pi. 2 circles you can subtract. See, one circle is 2 pi. Okay. If I do it like this, right? One circle, another one, that is 4 pi. Okay. From 4 pi you can subtract the 15 pi by 4. That is also fine, because see, 15 pi by 4 is what? It's almost nearing 4 pi. So you can subtract 4 pi and that can be your value. So basically this is yes, Akshada, your answer is correct. Ashrita's answer is correct as well. So this would be minus pi by 4. Make sense, guys? Can I move on? See this, yeah. Make sense? Okay. 15 pi by 4, let me see. 15 pi by 4. Can you do the third one? 15 pi by 4, I would, yeah, go ahead. So see here. So this 15 pi by 4 is what? I just want you to understand this. 15 pi by 4 will be basically, see, this is 1 pi. But how many pi's are here? See, 15 by 4 is what? 15 by 4. Don't worry about the pi. 15 by 4 is what? 3 point something. So, basically, can I write it out as 15 pi? Can I write it out as 8 pi by 4 plus what else? 8 pi by 4, and then you have a 7, right? Yeah. 7 pi by 4. Again, I can split and write it out as 8 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct? I can write it like this. This is basically a 2 pi. This is basically a pi. Then this is a 3 pi by 4. Any questions, guys? So you can write it out as 3 pi plus 3 pi by 4. Any questions? So 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and after that 3 by 4th of a pi. Does that make sense? So you can find your quadrants very easily like that as well. Okay, I know. Okay, the last question I think I forgot to solve. Guys. What was the last question I gave you? Can one of you tell me? I don't remember the last question I gave you. What was it, ma?
7 pi by 9.
7 pi by 9.
So
7 pi by 9. See, 7 pi. Sorry, ma. 11 pi by 9.
11 pi by 9.
Is this right?
Minus negative.
Oh, minus 11 pi by 9. Okay, guys, then where does this come? Let's see. Let's guess where does this come. I can write it out as minus 9 pi by 9. Then you have a 2 pi by 9, correct? That's what makes this minus pi. And then you have a 2 by 9 of a pi, which is very small, 2 by 9 of a pi. So basically somewhere here, right? So how do you do that? This is the negative angle. So you need the positive angle, right? So from 2 pi by 9, if you subtract the 11 pi by 9, what happens? You get a 7 pi by 9. So this angle is a positive 7 pi by 9. Any questions? Okay. Now, let's move on. I just wanted to be sure of. Okay. How about this? Okay. Converting degrees to radians should be easy, guys. Only one thing you're going to remember is pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Okay. If I ask you to convert minus 5 pi by 9 to degrees, how will you do? It's just proportions, guys. Okay. So x will be 180 times minus 5 pi by 9 divided by pi. So that will be minus 100 degrees. Any questions, guys? Subhi, were you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, how about if I give you 23 pi by 36, what angle is that? 23 pi by 36. What degree angle is that? 23 pi by 36. What is the degree angle? That's right, Pranav. Navni, that's right. Subi, correct. Avni, that's correct. Sai Shrikar, that's correct. Sai Shrikar, where is the answer? Sai Shrikar, where is the answer?
I sent. Oh yeah.
No.
Right.
Can you send? Akshada, correct, ma.
It's in degrees now.
29. Yeah, that's good. Sai Shrikar, did you send? Yeah, that's correct. And do you all know how to simplify? I really want you to be able to do 3 divided by root 2 by 2. These are simple things, but then they'll come. 3 divided by root 2 by 2. How will you simplify this? These things do come very often. You go ahead and do that. If you don't know, it's okay. Please tell me, but I want to know. You cannot have irrational denominators. That seems correct, ma, Ashrita. Akshada, the denominator is incorrect, man. Yeah, Subi. Navneet, correct. So 3 divided by root 2 by 2. How do you simplify that is my question. Sahana, you're able to do? Or you need help? Guys, this is divide by root 2 by 2. You cannot divide times 2 by root 2. What it is? 6 by root 2. You Hey guys, I seem to be having a hard time, but that's okay. Let's see. Let's see how far I can go. Okay. Because I keep switching connections, it automatically switches because I think it's very weak. Let me see. Okay, I'll try to be there. Okay, let's try on this one. So I was talking to you about 3 by root 2 by 2, right? 3 divided by root 2 by 2. So what should we do? It's exactly 3 divided by root 2 by 2. So what do? There is no fraction division, right? So what do? Multiply reciprocal. That becomes 6 by root 2. But in mathematics, you cannot have irrational denominators. So you should have this 6 root 2 by 2, which is 3 root 2. Because 6 by 2 is 3. Any questions? Let me go ahead. How about this? Root 2 by 2 by root 3. Root 2 by root 2 by root 3. Root 2 by 2 by root 3. Simplify. Not really, Navneet. Can you check again, Navneet? If you don't know, then I'll help.
Okay.
I feel something is wrong. I don't know how you got that. Root 2 by 2 by root 3. Really, Ashrita? I'm not getting your answer, guys. Wait, let me see. Let me work it out. Avni, can you do it on the board and show me?
Me?
Yeah, everybody is getting root 6 by 6. Why?
I did square root of 2
Okay.
divided by
Maybe you're right. Go ahead and do.
times 1 over,
By root 3. Okay.
and then I just kind of simplified it from there.
I think you're right, guys. I got it. Avni, I got it. Root 3. So it was root 6 by 3 times 2, 6. This is correct. Can I move on? Okay. A couple other things before we move on to unit 1 of pre-calc. Okay. This is what I wanted to revise and a couple more things. Okay. I want to discuss one more time coterminal angles And then this one. Minus 10 pi by 9. Which quadrant does it belong to? Minus 10 pi by 9. Which quadrant does it belong to? It should be at your fingertips. I know, meaning sometimes these things, why I do multiple times, because this is something everybody has a tough time when that semester starts. This won't come now. The first 2 semesters are all about rational functions, quadratic functions, rate of change, then it goes to exponential functions, logarithmic functions. That's the first half of pre-calculus. The second half of pre-calculus is just so rushing. I don't want it to be rushing for you guys, so we are discussing the basics of radians. Yeah, that's correct, Ashita. Nice job. Nice job, Navneet. Nice job, Akshita. Shrikar, I'm waiting for your answer. Sahana, I'm waiting for your answer. Shrikar, Sahana, Pranav, you also answer. If you don't know, just let me know I don't know, because you knew I understand. Sorry about it, guys. I didn't expect this today. There is something wrong with the connection. Did you get it, Shrikar? Pranav, did you get it? Shrikar and Pranav, I'm waiting for your answers.
I sent my answer.
I sent it.
Yeah, quadrant 2. Nice. Pranav, so you're getting it. Can I assume that?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? Minus 10 pi. I don't want you to say which. This is a good one. How about this? 5 pi by 18. This one is 5 pi by 18. This one is. Okay, let's see this one. This one is 5 pi by 18. Okay. I want you to tell me what is this angle. The black one. I'm making it a little harder, but that's okay. You will know now. 5 pi by 18 is what is given. What I wanted to know was that angle, the red color angle. Sorry, the black color angle. Go ahead, guys. Did you get it or you need help? Did you get it or you need help, Amma? Sahana, you got it?
Yeah. Let's type it.
Nice one. Correct, Ashrita. Then I just wanted to discuss coterminal angles and move on. I really want to get started with rate of change today. It's very easy to get a 5 in a AP pre-calc exam, guys. Definitely make a 5. Okay, AP pre-calc is an easy 5. That's why they brought in AP for pre-calc. Okay, so that will boost up your GPA. Yes, Pranav, but that can be simplified. Do you see 40 and 18 can be simplified, right?
Yeah.
Yes, now correct. So whether it is confusing or not, if you're able to do, if you're able to answer, conceptually understand, then we can move on. Yeah, that's right, Pranav. Akshada, did you get it, ma? So can I get your answer? Yeah, ma. Nice, Sahana. Subi, did you get? Ma, don't make me call out. If you don't understand, you don't understand. You can tell me.
Yeah, I don't really get this question.
No problem. Yeah,
Yes,
that's
Pranav.
yeah. That's nice. If you can tell me, I'll go over it. That's fine. Yeah, Avni, that's correct. So let me go over it. Akshata, that doesn't seem correct, ma. Okay. So no problem. Whoever did not understand, please see here. Okay. So you just need to know from here to here, right? What is this? How much is this? How much is this in terms of radians? You tell me, Subi. If you don't know as well, you can tell me, so I'll be able to tell you back.
Pi.
Pi. Again, this to this is a pi. Correct, ma? Pi. Pi. And then the one thing that you don't know is this piece. Right? How to find out that piece? This is pi by 2. Correct? So from pi by 2, subtract the 5 pi by 18. That gives you this. Correct?
Yeah.
Put it in the same denominator. 9 pi by 18 minus 5 pi by 18 is 4 pi by 18. Right? That you're going to add it to this. Make sense?
Yeah.
2 pi. But this one is 2 pi by 9. Makes sense? So as a result, divide by 1, make it into the common denominator. That will be 18 pi by 9 plus 2 pi by 9, which is 20 pi by 9. Makes sense, guys? Akshata, did you get?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I move on? Several of you did not answer this question. Shrikar, did you get?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So keep moving. Pi, pi, pi. Wherever you can find the other angles, you can find out by subtracting from pi by 2 or from pi, whatever it is. Now, what is this? If you all remember, we did discuss this in Algebra 2 towards the end. What are coterminal angles? It's so important. Coterminal, same terminal angles, right? So let's see. This is pi by 4, right? See, this is the initial axis of the angle, right? This is the terminal axis. This is called the terminal axis, right? Of an angle. This is the angle I am considering, right? For this angle, this is the initial, this is the terminal, right? If you think about it, this is the initial terminal. Co-terminal means with the same terminal, there can be more than one angle. If I go like this, it's a pi by 4. If I go like this, what it is? It is 2 pi by 4, negative angle this is, right? This is 2 pi minus pi by 4, which is 7 pi by 4. So, negative of 7 pi by 4. Makes sense? I can do that, okay. However, when you think about it, when you think about it, if I want to write another angle for this, okay, another angle, there can be any number of angles, meaning with this as your terminal axis, you can have many angles, okay. Suppose this is what I'm asking, right? This is pi by 4, right? I can have another angle if I add 2 pi, if I add one full circle to it, right? This angle, the same angle, this angle can be pi by 4, or it can be pi by 4 plus 2 pi, or it can be pi by 4 plus 4 pi, again one more, or it can be pi by 4 plus another 2 pi, 6 pi. So it can keep on going. Okay, how do you determine, meaning how do you determine the general format of coterminal angles? Can I call it like this? Your angle x plus 2 pi n. There can be n number of 2 pi's added to it. It can be 2 pi, 4 pi, then 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi, 12 pi. Same angle will come. Or it can be x minus 2 pi n. The negative side, when you go, you can keep subtracting 2 pi n. Make sense, guys? If it is in degrees, how do you find out? X plus 360n or x minus 360n. Any questions, guys? Do you have any questions? No? Okay. This is the last part that I want to discuss on radians. Let's see. I just want you to find out one set of coterminal angles for the angles that I give you. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay. Let me ask you this. I give this angle as pi by 4. Okay. This one, this angle, when you go in the clockwise direction, it's a negative pi by 4. But I'm saying this angle is pi by 4. How will you determine all coterminal angles to this angle? Yeah. All coterminal angles. How do I write all of the coterminal angles to this angle? So basically, this is 7 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4 plus 2 pi n. Does that make sense? N can be any integer. N can be any integer. This gives you all sets of coterminal angles for this one angle. Am I making sense? Okay. Now, okay. Shall I ask you this? Can you find a coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi for 13 pi by 2? I am giving you the angle 13 pi by 2. Okay. I am asking you to find out one coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi. Would you be able to find that? I am going to go a little farther today, for the class. A lot of connection disruptions. We started late. I just want to go into your rate of change as well. So, for me to finish that, I just need another 10-15 minutes. Navneet, is it okay with you? You said you were in some other place, right?
I'll message if I have to leave.
When do you want to leave?
I'll message.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. What is that?
I will message.
No, Navneet, when do you have to leave? Oh, sure, Navneet. Thanks for the message. Appreciate it. Guys, and I wanted to discuss one thing with you guys. Is it okay if we make this class from 5:45 to 7? Can we make this class from 5:45 to 7? Oh, Sahana, you'll find it tough, huh? Yes, right,
Yeah.
Sahana? Oh, yeah, you can't. Okay. When are you coming back?
Coming back, I think July 15 or something.
July 15th, huh?
Around that time.
After that, are you all okay with the 5:45 to 7? Guys, I really want each of your opinion, guys. So please tell me, Ashtrita, tell me, are you okay with the 5:45 to 7?
I think so.
You think so? Okay. Shrikar, are you okay? Hmm?
The 45 to 7 will only be for the summer session, right?
Oh, okay. After that, you're not okay, ma?
I'm not sure after that.
You're not sure. Oh, I see. Okay. You're not sure, na? When will you know, ma?
Probably by like July and or August 1st week.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. So based on your school schedule, you're saying, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. How about Subi Avni?
Pretty sure it should work for me.
Okay. Shrikar, Akshada? Akshada, you don't know, right? You don't know your schedule at all in the new area, right?
Yeah, I think it's probably gonna work though.
Okay.
Miss Priya, that works for me too.
Okay. Shrikar and
I'm
Pranav
good with
will
it.
fight. Huh?
I'm
I
good
think
with
that
it
should work.
after we come back from India.
Okay. Navneet, 5:45 to 7, would it work?
Yeah.
Shriek, not now, but after July 15th, I can make it work like that. Okay. Till then, later time has to work. Okay. But let's see, guys. Let's see for next week, right? I don't know, Navneet. You have to tell me. For you only, I'm asking. So for next week, can we do 8 or 8 is too late for me. 8 or 7 I can do. What do you want? I think others are okay. Which one you prefer?
7.
7, huh? 7 to 8 you prefer, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, Navneet. I'm not able to change because one is in India, one is here, and you have something going on. Okay, 7 to 8 we'll do next week. I'll talk to your dad, or I don't know what to do. We'll see. Yeah. So can you name one coterminal angle that's between 0 and 2 pi? I think Avni, that's right. Ashut. Okay, Ashita, thanks for the message. Subi, I'm waiting for your coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi. If you ask for a change, guys, usually I bring it up to everybody. Okay, if everybody is okay, then definitely we'll go with the change. Okay, I was okay with anything today because I don't have any other. I have not set it up because of you guys. So once you confirm, I'll set it up based on that. Did you all get it? One coterminal angle. Coterminal angle means same, meaning the same terminal axis should be the angle. That's right. Navneet got it. You got it. Okay. Ma, if you don't know, just message me, guys. You did not know, just tell me that I'm absolutely fine going over, but don't waste time, right? Because I want to finish the other one as well. Is it 5 pi by 4? Really? Ashrita, was it? I asked you 13 pi by 4. See, the 13 pi by 4 is clearly more than C. This is more than 8 pi. 8, after that 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my god, it's more than 12 pi. It's more than 3 pi plus pi by 4, correct? So I want an angle. So you keep on subtracting 2 pi, subtracting 2 pi, subtracting 2 pi till it comes between 0 and 2 pi, right? So 13 pi by 4, can I subtract first a 2 pi? If you subtract a 2 pi, what happens? This is 13 pi minus 8 pi by 4. You get 5 pi by 4. Correct? 5 pi by 4 is the right answer, right? How did you get pi by 2, Navneet?
I think that's subtracted.
Huh?
I don't know. I will check.
So basically, I wanted a coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi. This is 0, this is 2 pi. So within this angle, I wanted a coterminal angle. 13 pi by 4 is where? It's a whole lot different. 13 pi by 4 is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, then there is a pi by 4. The angle is here. Right? But for the same angle, I wanted it to be between 0 and 2 pi. Okay. So the first thing what you do, you keep on subtracting. I can understand that is 3 pi plus pi by 4. So keep on subtracting 2 pi. You can go on subtracting 2 pi because you can subtract 2 pi and any number of 2 pi's you can subtract to get a coterminal angle. When you subtract 2 pi itself, it becomes 5 pi by 4. So when you come from here to here, it's 5 pi by 4. That's all. So that lies between 0 and 2 pi and that's all. That's the answer. Avni, did you get it?
Yeah, Miss Priya, I think I'll need to leave now.
Okay, you can now. You can.
Bye, Miss
You can.
Priya.
Yeah. Then we'll deal with the rate of change next week with maybe one more review. Okay, because I don't want to cover anything new if you're in there, if somebody is not there. How about the last one? Let's say 1 by 2 by root 2 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 2 by 2. 1 by 2 divide by root 2 by 2. Just simplify. You get it, guys? We'll finish with that. Yeah, Akshada, but the problem is you cannot have irrational denominators, right, Akshada? That's right, Pranav, you can log off.
Priya Rajans screen. Minimize meeting. Priya Raj.
Bye,
AI
Priya.
You are using a recording. Mute my audio.
Go ahead. Chetan, you have to unmute yourself because there was some noise. You have to unmute yourself.
Hello?
Yeah, we are able to hear you.
Sorry, what were you asking?
No, we are good. You can mute yourself.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Akshada, no ma. I think we are not clear. Yeah, Navneet, that's right. Shrikar, that's incorrect. Ashita, that's correct. Guys, okay. Shrikar and Akshada. 1 by 2 times 2 by root 2. Correct, guys? 2 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator gets cancelled. So that becomes 1 by root 2. But I cannot have irrational denominators, so I multiply by root 2 on both numerator and denominator, giving me root 2 by 2 as the answer. Any questions? Okay. Again, this week's homework is again going to be on only radians. Okay, that's okay. But then we'll go ahead and discuss rate. Let me tell you what am I going to cover next week, because I need to make up a little bit for sure. Hold on, I'll tell you what am I going to cover next week and then we can log off. Next week we'll meet from 7 to 8, okay? Okay, so next week we will discuss change in tandem, rates of change. Change in tandem, rates of change, and if possible, rates of change in linear and quadratic functions. So all about rates of change is what we are going to discuss next week, and properties of functions, okay? Any questions for me? Okay, that will be the start of Unit 1 of Pre-Calc, AP Pre-Calc. Okay. Yeah. If you don't have any questions, we'll see you next week at 7 o'clock, our usual time. Okay, planned time. Bye, guys. See you all next week.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Priya. Auntie. Thank you.
Bye, guys.